Hello and welcome my friend, and then I have interesting video that why my car's key or truck's key won't and don't work even that I have replaced this battery. And now there is really situation that I have already replaced the key battery and still my key won't work. And what is the defect and issue now? And how I can start to think that why this my key or in that one it don't work. Okay, normally when we replace our car battery in some car brands we can check there is small this red light. We can see that in this area when I press these buttons. Normally if we can see this red light everything should to be okay. But sometimes it happens so even to myself that I have like two keys and I have like two cars like same brand like Toyota brand, and I can confuse and use in different key in my car. This is sometimes possible that we have two keys what fits in same this key slot. Sometimes this is really possible, like in my case, look, this goes directly in here and that one also. Even that they are different keys. When keys becomes old, we can use wrong key if we have two cars. Sometimes this happens. This is the first thing what I like to tell you, and then second thing is that when our car's key switch, this one, what I now am pressing, they becomes old, and when we look in that inner area, these plastic buttons they can drop away, and especially it can happen that when we look in that inner area there is this small steel switch, and now we need to look closer because now in these keys there is situation that in this key there is these inner parts lost. Second thing that sometimes this outer plastic button, this one is away, and sometimes we have situation that this inside small switch what is in here, that one, this small part, when I press that, this is the switch. Sometimes these switches they are dropping away, like in this key. Look in here. There is only hole. There is no any this switch what is like in that key in here, inner area. And there is the switch also, and in here switch is in here, but not in here. And this switch is also broken. When we look that closer. This is also not workable switch because there must be small inner part, this inner switch that our key works. Like in this way. There is the small this button what we press in this way, and then this key works. We can hear this sound. Okay. Sometimes it really happens even, this is like this third thing, that sometimes it really happens like in this my Lexus key, that this inner part can drops to ground. Look, there is no any parts in there inside. it is like empty. And this can sometimes happen that when we drop our key, this inside computer is away. And this is very rare issue, but sometimes we can only have to this cover, and if we have only cover, then this key it won't work. Then I like to repeat that what are those most top 4 issues that our car or truck's key it won't work. First one is that we use wrong car key, even that they are in same side and they can go to inner area. I have made that kind of issues. It is possible that it fix in there but nothing happens. And that's we have to check and test second key. This is like first thing. And second thing is that we have this car key, but there is this outer plastic part. These plastic buttons, they are damaged, and that's these keys, inner parts, they don't work. This is the second thing. And then the more complex thing is that these inner parts, this is like third thing, that these switches, metallic switches are away, like in that my case. This is sometimes it can happen. And then final fourth thing is that we have only cover. This is sometimes possible. Look, inside parts, they are lost. Very interesting things. And these things are those four mistakes and errors in our car or truck's keys. Thank you for watching this video.